Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. How to install Avast antivirus in Windows 11. So this is a link I will give you in description. So you copy paste and paste to new tab and then enter. So open this page. Now click to download, and this is downloading setup, and this download, and then click to open, click to yes. Now this is installed. So click to install. %76 complete. This is installed properly. This is install. Continue. Run first scan. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Totally install in Windows 11.